Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa here and I'm so excited to be back. I am finally getting around to doing my full face of first impressions makeup Japan/Asia. I got everything in Tokyo, but one of my subscribers told me that this brand is actually from Korea. So I guess it's like a K-beauty, J-beauty type of video and I'm really excited. Obviously this is like the completed look. I tried so hard to keep it Japanese, but like I'm just like by instinct I just like, you know, go towards the dramatic, like heavy, like American style makeup, but I really tried. Before I get into this, I know this is like a makeup video, but I do want to share this hair product that I've been loving. This is the Shu Uemure Art of Hair Textures Wave Spray, and it's like a dry texturizing spray. If you put it into your hair like after you style it, it gives you like that perfect like volume and like definition. So if you love like the beachy like loose waves, then I think that that product is perfect for you. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get right into the haul. I look scary because I didn't do my makeup yet. So you've been warned, let's go ahead and get right into it. When I posted my haul, I learned that everything in this bag happens to be a Korean brand, and over here is obviously Japanese drugstore makeup. Part of it will be like Korean, so I guess I'm gonna call this like the Japanese and Korean full face makeup tutorial. So I did my best to get as pale as I possibly can because like I said in my Japan haul video, there are no foundations in Japan other than like pale and paler. So here I am, as pale as I can be. So let's just go through everything that I got really quickly. This is the Japanese drugstore. It's called Don Quixote. And I did get a pair of lashes from Japan. I got Japanese mascara. I think this is the foundation, yes, and it has SPF in it. This is the eyeshadow. This is the lip color. I just got like a moisturizing rose. It's Nivea brand, but Nivea is very popular in Japan. And this is a cheek color, I think like a blush palette. And this is a eyebrow pencil. And over here on the Korean side, we have a gel eyeliner, which I'm really excited about. I have wanted to grab this like so many times, but I'm like, I have to wait until I do my first impressions. I have to wait until I do my first impressions, and finally I'm doing it, so I get to use this later. I'm so excited. I hope it's good. So this is the brush and the eyeliner, and then this is a primer, and it was like going fast. Like it was almost sold out, so I think it's gonna be really good. It's a Pore Velvet primer. Okay, so I didn't get a lot of crazy eyeshadows because what I noticed about Japan is that they don't really wear a lot of makeup. It's usually just foundation, and they're like crazy about lips. Like lipstick is like the thing over there. Here I feel like it's eyeshadow and eyebrows. But let's go ahead and dig right into the primer. So yeah, it's definitely Korean. Everything here is in Korean. I'm really excited to try like Asian makeup. I just feel like they really know what they're doing. They're always like the trendsetters with beauty and skincare. Oh my god, this is like really thick. Like this is the thickest primer I've ever used in my life. It just feels like toothpaste like going on my face. Like it's just really thick, and it smells like baby powder. Okay, so I got the primer on and I feel like my skin doesn't even need foundation. Like it literally just got rid of all of my wrinkles. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Like it literally just made my skin like flawless. I should have gotten like 3 of these bottles because I literally used so much on my face, but it's so like blurred. Wow. So this was the Style Nanda Back to Baby Pore Blurring Primer. So moving right along, I'm going into the foundation, and this might be like light for me because I know I'm pale right now, but like in Japan I'm still pretty dark compared to other people. Oh my god, this is a really pretty bottle. It says Amino Essence Foundation Gel Luminous Baby Smooth Skin. So it's like a rose gold bottle. I know the light kind of washes it out, but the packaging is really cute. And here we go with the foundation. Ooh. So good so far. It's not as dark, I mean it's not as light as I thought it would be. I feel like it's the perfect shade since I'm so pale right now. Oh my god. I'm not kidding, this foundation is like amazing. Okay, so one thing I forgot to get was setting powder. I can't live without setting powder. I don't know, yeah, they definitely have setting powder in Japan, but I forgot to get some. But let's just keep on moving. I'm gonna go into the eyebrow pencil now. Again, this is from the Japanese drugstore. The foundation is oxidizing a little bit. I'm starting to look a little bit yellow, which is okay. So here's the eyebrow pencil. The tip is really nice. It's just super narrow. It reminds me a lot of like the Anastasia brow wiz. And I'm just gonna start penciling in my eyebrows. It's a really nice taupe color. Wow, I really like the like lighter like gray tone of this brow pencil. It just makes it look really natural. Okay, so that is the eyebrow pencil. It's super, super light, and I'm kind of liking it. I wish it was a little bit darker so I could like darken out the outer corners, but it looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going into the eyeshadow, and I just got like shimmer colors because, again, like the Japanese girls, they keep it really, really natural, and I'm trying to copy the Japanese girls' makeup. They're amazing at it, so I don't know if I can like really execute it properly, but I'm gonna try. This is from the drugstore. It did not come with an applicator, so I'm gonna use my own brushes for this. Oh, I like that it just like slides out, and then you can just like pop it back in. That's really cute. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take some gold from the top half, and I'm just gonna put that gold like literally on my lids. Alright, so now I'm going to take a more narrow brush and I'm going to go into the darker one, and I'm going to put this on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm putting it on the bottom corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to go into the gold one, the narrow brush, and I'm going to put it along the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going into what I'm like the most excited about, which is the gel eyeliner from Style Nanda, and I'm really excited. I think this is going to be really good. This brand is really like the MAC of like Asia pretty much, so I'm really, really excited about this. It's like this nice like smoked out matte pot, and it comes with a brush, so I'm going to use the brush that it came with. And from what I observed in Japan, they wing their eyes, but like they go really low so that it looks more doe-eyed, and maybe just like a really small flick at the end. So here we go. Oh my god, it's going on amazing so far. I knew it was gonna be good. Okay, so I did my best on this eye. I definitely went way too thick with the eyeliner. Okay, so I just had to switch cameras because the other one kept acting up, so there is like a little lighting change happening. So now we're going into the mascara. This is a dual-sided mascara. Let's see what I'm supposed to do. So there's a primer and then there's the top coat. I'm starting with the primer. It's like a gray color. And I'm not doing my top lashes only because I have extensions and I'm going to put some lashes on top. I'm gonna let that dry for a sec, and then I'll put on the top coat. Ooh, I love this applicator. It's so nice. Alright, so going into the bottom lashes. Okay, so I just did the mascara, and you can tell how defined the lashes went on. There's no clumping or anything like that. You can see every single strand of hair, so I really like that. I think it's all about the applicator. Before I go into the lashes, I'm going to do the cheeks and the lips. So instead of like contouring and bronzing in Japan, they just do a lot of like blush. So here is the blush. Again, this is from the drugstore, and it has a little applicator. And I'm going to use the brush that came with it, and I'm going to go ahead and sweep this onto my cheeks. I'm really nervous because I don't know how much pigment is going to come off, and I don't want to look like a clown. It's very, okay, I can't use that brush. So I'm going to use like a fluffier brush, and I hope it blends out. Okay, so I kind of feel like I look like a clown at this point. It's like my first impressions. Don't judge me. Second to last thing is the lips. So this is just like a nice rosy color from Nivea. Obviously the drugstore. And the red lip is totally a thing in Japan right now, but I was just like, I can't do red lips ever. So I'm just gonna use this like smoky rose color, and it's hydrating, which I really need right now. Okay, so I'm almost done. The lips look good, super glossy and shiny. I feel like it's like the perfect amount of color. And now I'm moving on to the lashes, and this is like the only time that I'll use something that's not Lisa lashes. I got the spiky kind because I love spiky lashes. I feel like they're really good for like smaller eyes. It really opens them up. And I got 2 pairs, so here we go. Okay, so I really tried with this look. I love the way that it came out. I don't think I nailed like that Japanese like vibe, but it's something in between, which is like exactly what I am because I'm half Japanese and half Caucasian. So I feel like this is like a really great Lisa look. I really tried my best, but I definitely do lean towards like American style makeup because I just love like the drama and the smoky eyes and all that stuff. So I hope that this was fun to watch. I was just trying out new products. I loved all of them. I think that they really do come up with quality beauty products in Asia, which is why they're definitely leaders even here in the States. That was really exciting. I hope it was fun. I'm gonna go ahead and link my Japan vlog down below because that vlog has been a hit, and also my haul if you want to see what else I got in Japan, like outfits and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.